Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my friends at the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 4, Yoli 0. I'm joined by Mr. Sizokuthola. It's Gok. Original. The black.
It's mnyama.
Ngenka.
Yeah. All right, it's too. Yeah.
Yeah, hanging now.
Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Bakhoza mfijama.
Hey.
Kenzeka lini?
Man ungizing ngalo mpaka. Ngithini ku off cam.
Mfijama. Simukren. That's how the pants are. Yeah, izinto zomjolo sithi. Mara sikho lapho Ukraine nje.
Yeah. Retardeli.
Wakushanga wani, isicima siwani.
Ungabuya wena.
Iva.
Oh, enye yathi yaseDK. Angisazoyiba.
She was getting game. I was getting Ukraine.
Yeah, sure.
Still congratulations with Pirates still.
Yeah.
What I'm saying, what I'm trying to say means congratulations Pirates. Teams that they're going to face us quick have about pass up. Passing in still.
Yeah.
Mina ngokuyangami see Steve, I don't know how to put this. I'm from involved with Sundown.
Yeah.
But ngokuyangami I think sneer ama-squad ayi-3 nathi.
Yeah.
Yabo ngikhumbuza the day Sundown uyisa no coach Rulani, Pito. Yabana ama-squad amaningi ama-player, most of them ama-play. And each and every player may khona kufika nje ifake impact yakhe. What I'm trying to say, look at Tito Lekanangena, Chivo. Mina for me now I was like, I know drop a game with
Yeah.
Every day, each and every team that we play with, or each and every game, or anyone that we face, Mfuna Utito, no, Mbuli. That communication, that combination, La Center, perfect. This Tibo. I wanna give a shout out to Mbutuma, Nkumbuzundoro. I wanna give a shout out to Undaba.
Yeah.
One of the best knives, Tibo. One of the best left back. It shows that the Pirates this season, we don't need any players.
Yeah.
Nkulma from defense to his center to his striker. We don't need any players. It's a crane. It's not Van Roy. It's not Lubito. Shout out to Lubito. It's Umakeba Shil. Umakeba Markulma in English and understand. Umakeba.
Koneli Kamal Shilo.
Bombastic.
Senkatele.
Umakeba. Umakeba was Pegason complete. But Ushilo Umakeba na Lubito is one of the best to deserve as the man of the match because who figure la payano we have injury. Who figure na fanda kule game. Udlalenga tukalini game. Understand? Siema. One of the best. I thought maybe I keep Siema. I thought to Siema balance on Mbogazi.
Sure.
Mbogazi will always protect him. Today Siema showed me because he can play Nunda, he can play Nosasane, he can play
with everyone.
Anyone like Pirates. Swiss as he captain. Shout out to him. As Naomi Nering interview, we only saw a diagonal polai 2. Understand? And it shows that the captain, it shows that it doesn't mean the captain it shows that each and everyone at the back who's the captain has his own skill to play the football.
That's true.
You understand? Umbogazi figure ufuna usiyema dlale the way afuna dlala khona. Uswisi figure ufuna usiyema dlale the way. Usiyema naye ufuna umbogazi dlale. You know they understand each other. What I'm trying to say is Tibo. Shout out to Pirates. Coming to Leon. Lions.
Dioli. Aye umuntu athi Dioli mara.
Dioli. Tibo they didn't play bad. I'm saying because of I watched the previous game. Les Bashai 3. To this game they improved. But you can't win a game, Tibo. On a midfield. On a striker, nihluleka kumakha, nihluleka kuphasana. You know, for me as a team, we need to go back with drawing board. You have to get them proper players. You need to create if they need Africa. Most of the players they need to believe in development. They do believe in development players. most Africa teams, they need to play. And I need to still clarify. I don't think the Pirates, Isantan, Al Ahly, they deserve to play qualifiers.
Why?
Stibo, one of my team is there now for my qualifiers.
Swag.
About the energy.
Swag, yeah. Swag.
About the energy. About Salvas Fagama semi-final.
One.
Sam.
Yeah.
And what I'm trying to say, Stibo, as I'm a Pagania, as a Melama fans, or corners of women, and I'm cornering a woman, as the Pirates know, as Fungu Puma outside the final. No?
Yeah.
It's either clean-up final, skip-up final, or say it's at the final.
Yeah.
Because we're looking for that second star after 8 years.
Yeah.
This team in Kumbuza, come on, I forgot Tibo Parra. Nefo, is on Kumbuza.
Yeah, you have some
This
notes.
team, yes, ne password, Mklambi Lomfazu Chinchi, the password, Maragai Chichang. This team in Kumbuza, that squad there 2004. Lamis Nabu Edward. Lana sinabu kona abu Vilagazi, la nkumbuza kona abu Remi, gift Remi nkumbuza bana. Lol Remi wa no gift nkumbuza Remi. You know, nkumbuza abu Isaac Chance Stibo. Nkumbuza abu Joseph Makanya, nkumbuza abu Jimmy. You know, for me, this game, this team, this Pirates, this Orlando, this all Scotini team, it's dangerous, Tibo. People they have to watch out to this team. They have to understand the philosophy of that team. They need to understand because the team Lena is the biggest team, and they need to respect it.
Yeah.
Because this season,
as
a statement, Safik.
Go final.
Safik.
Go final.
Each and every final.
Yeah.
Black Level.
Yeah.
Netbank. Sida. Ayilika mkhuluma kuyacakiwa phela kuyenzakaleni ngala Steve ngicela ukubuza ngala kuyenzakaleni nangu mageba ngathi ufuna ukukhuluma something
machita winning.
Remember Steve, we just don't play in the final, but we know how to win the final.
Tanko Mageba, man of the match.
Asival, man of the match. Beautiful free kick from him. I like the way he opens up. I like the way he comes in. I like the way he does his runs. Also Tito for me, man. For me, I'll give it. Why? Because of that combination between him and Bule. That outside pass for me, it's perfect. Look at how that outside pass will be to like open, motivated to go. Like it's momentum, Pirates.
Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you very much. Thank you.